Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your username in GoCardless account. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in your home screen over here, your dashboard, and just go to settings over here right next to the search bar. Tap on it and then you'll see this user settings over here. Open it. And now to change your user settings, you just need to type over here and choose the name that you want. You can write anything that you want. I'm going to be writing my name, and that's it. So guys, that's how you change your username in your GoCardless account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.